Mubunge ya Kitutu Chache South omusike Anthony Kibagendi nigo amochiri omwaziri wa chisemi omusike Ezekiel Machogu asate buna nigo Ezekiel Machogu atamanyiti egasi achoreretwe omurumurai wense William Ruto Kawakwana ime ya utiti eye kutoka ime wadi ya Bugeka evungi ya Kitutu Chache South ime county ya Kisii nigo musike Anthony Kibagendi atebabuna nigo Ezekiel Machogu nenete amabagaya bari muhabari kwa asinga kichika chamega koche ase wadi ya Kisusu na anenemono kweba abari mubande abakurwa soro ngura gusi anenemono kurase county ya Nyamira.
On matters to do with education, I have a problem with Honorable CS Ezekiel Machogu. The CS, Mr. Machogu, through the ministry, have employed 44,000 teachers in this financial year, in January and February. We are not happy with the distribution of the opportunities across the country, not just in Kisii. CS Machogu, I'm addressing you and the ministry. You know the corruption you have been involved in. You took opportunities for our people and took them to your clan and the people of your community in Abaguche. And I'm not mincing my words. We want to talk about this day in, day out, until this issue is solved. Our children here, Kisii and Nyamira County, have the highest concentration of trained teachers in the country. But the opportunities were taken elsewhere. And those that came to Kisii and Nyamira were taken to one ward in Gesusu. So we are addressing the CS to do the right thing. And the opportunities that come to that ministry, like now in January, they got money to give to needy students who are joining Form 1. Kisii County has not benefited from those opportunities. So, CS Machogu, we are addressing you and we are not going to stop. And we don't fear you. You are lucky we did not get a chance to speak at your event the other day in Nyaribai. You are a disgrace and a monument of embarrassment to our community. Naenda Manyega, even with promotion of our teachers, we have inadequate teachers. He does not look at that. The CS has the audacity to come to Kisii. 1 week in Kisii, he did not bother to visit Nyambaria Secondary School or Kadinotunga Secondary School that led in the just concluded KCSE. I was saying, the CS has been in Kisii for the past 1 week, loitering around some populist stations, just trying to impress some individuals. Yet, he did not create time to visit Nyambaria Secondary School or Kadinotunga Secondary School that were leading in the in the KCSE that students sat for last year. So we are telling him, and the president, while we appreciate you gave the community that opportunity, Mr. Machogu is incompetent. And we will say it here, we will say it in Nairobi. Unless he decides to do his job, awache kujaribu kuimpress a few people out there. Nasikia anasema Kitutu Chache South atafanya kitu. Sisi tuko na CDF, tutafanya nayo kazi na watu wetu watafurahi. Na tutatafuta donors watatusaidia. Yeye abaki na hiyo, apeleke huko kwake huko Gesusu. So tunamalizia hapo.